Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim again. As you would have seen, I put my Crusader into the wall pretty hard the last drift day. That wasn't too much of an issue. Smashed the rear tail light, bent the rear quarter in, creased it and whatnot. With a hand from my dad, pushed out the porta power, where he did most of it, to be honest. Crowbar, hammer, got it as straight as possible. I'll throw a time lapse in here in a second and you can see. Also split the braided hose line that was next to the extractors. So replace that, ran that back over the top of the head, back down the other side so it's nowhere near it. Put a bit of rubber hose around it too so it doesn't rub on any areas that it can rub. So hopefully I'm good for the next one, which I think it might be keep it reet, but we'll just see how we're going for funds, etc. Only got 2 sets of tyres off it. I still drove it with a creased quarter, smashed tail light, but then the clutch decided to let go. It was pretty extreme on it. But you got to do that when it's a long, fast track and there's not a lot of power. Thank you. Here you go. I'll put this time lapse in. Can't fit. This side must be lower. I don't. Let me know when. Oh, fucking my eye, wow. Yeah, it's done up. Need like actual brake fluid fucking catcher. Yeah. It's in the bottle. It's just shooting straight down the back of the gearbox. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look, I didn't think it was going that far the first time. And that'll pretty much include the video. Just me bleeding the clutch, the slave cylinder at the bottom. That's pretty much all I broke on the weekend, which honestly wasn't that bad, but it's ready to go again. Quick update on the Crusader. There you go.